Hi! Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying learning targets. You will be able to reflect on what it means to be brave and stand up for others offline and online. Learn to show empathy for those who have been cyberbullied, and generate multiple solutions for helping others when cyberbullying occurs. Vocabulary. These terms are important in the fight against cyberbullying. Bystander. A bystander is someone who sees cyberbullying happening but does nothing to help. Upstander. An upstander is someone who helps when they see cyberbullying occur. Empathize. To empathize means that you imagine the feelings that someone else is experiencing. An upstander is not directly involved in the cyberbullying incident, but steps in to help anyway. You want to be an upstander, right? An upstander empathizes with the targets of cyberbullying, letting them know that they care and are listening. An upstander does not spread rumors or go along with cyberbullies because of peer pressure, and may even tell the cyberbully to stop. An upstander encourages the target to tell a trusted adult about the situation. Now you get to do something about cyberbullying.